Find your balance with Layered Duality. Layered Duality focuses on the combination of textures and colors to create a dynamic and balanced sense of unity. The collection blends contrasting aesthetics and a mindful approach to materials to create a distinctive level of harmony, providing comfort, inspiration, and unmatched visual interest. This is the Layered Duality collection from Tarkett, featuring 2 non-PVC plank styles that offer smart solutions that rival LVT in performance and aesthetics, bringing harmonic allure to any space. To support a circular economy, all Layered Duality options can be part of Tarkett's take-back and recycling program. At Tarkett, we take a holistic view with flooring, designed to help support both environmental and human health at every step. See how your designs will look before you spec with our online visualization and design tools. You can get a better idea of how your vision works in specific rooms. Learn more at commercial.tarkett.com/layerduality.